So this is definitely going to be a throw on and go natural, good everyday hair type of unit.
You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. See fair, how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibrancy's been alive within me, floating in the day. But highs inside these eyes, I seem to glisten while they wait. Losing sleep as this reality is taking over me. And you must be mistaken if you think you're truly free.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload old units, new units, everyday slays, wig updates, and everything in between. So today, this cute little unit on my head is going to be the one that I'm reviewing for you. This is a new one from the Bobbi Boss collection. I'm wearing it in the style MLF341 Helene and the color number 2. So if you're interested in seeing the construction of this unit and how I styled it, just stay tuned for this video.
Tell me why it gotta be like that. Gotta be like that. Ring around the rosy is the game you play. Sing around the lonely in the same old way. Gotta find my only, it's a shame to say. Got around a phony and got burned by flame. Turning in circles is hurtful and I been there before, but I got off the right. I'll swallow blood for I swallow my pride. Follow my gut for I follow my mind. All of the fighting, denying and lies. All of the hiding and crying inside. I try, but now the tears are all dry. And I'll be alright because I'll take it in stride. Ring around the rosy with a pocket full of posies. Lonely hope, and I'm not the only. Ashes, ashes falling down. We all come crashing to the ground. Burning my bridges with matches in hand. Learning my stitches are ashes from plans. Scratches from past when I couldn't withstand. Walking on fire and drowning in sand. Down in the sadness I found in the madness. The ground is the flattest when I am alone. Bound to the badness inside of my bones. Sounds of Damascus decide where I roam. Failure is practice, refining my growth. Tailored my axes, adaptive I rose. Back from the ashes and gases and clothes. Black from the lashes of all of the foes. Ring around the rosy with a pocket full of posies. Lonely hope, and I'm not the only. Ashes, ashes falling down. We all come crashing to the ground. Ring around the rosy with a pocket full of posies. Lonely hope, and I'm not the only. Ashes, ashes falling down. We all come crashing to the ground. Make me or break me, I'm fine either way. Shake me or take me, I'm falling away. Hate me, inflate me, I'll try to convey. Lately my safety has wandered away. Squandered my pay, pondered my way. Often I'm flawed on the greatest of days. Tell me it's a face, cause I've been lost inside a maze. Is this the days because the haze won't go away? I've been seeking praise and I'm afraid it ain't a phasing. Energy's akin to me, but been to the extremes of the darkness. Picking up the pieces. All of us are broken, hoping Corbin can relieve it. Ring around the rosy with a pocket full of posies. Lonely hope, and I'm not the only. Ashes, ashes falling down.
Okay, you guys, so this unit does have your typical cap construction. You do get your 2 combs in the front. Actually, they're more towards the sides near your ears, and 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. This unit does come with a 5.5-inch lace part, and let me just show you that. So you do get definitely a good amount of parting space with it. The front is a bit pre-plucked as well, and it does come with baby hairs. The baby hairs weren't super extreme, so I didn't really even need to cut them down. Honestly, all I did was just lay them down with a little bit of my foaming mousse and got to be glued. So the texture on this hair is definitely on the silky side. If it was Yaki, I would have to say it's a very light Yaki, but for sure it's definitely on the silky side. I feel like this is going to be a cute, just super beginner friendly everyday unit. As you can see, it just falls above my boob, so it's giving you that very natural length. The density is very natural as well. This actually is everything to the front, so it's not thin, but it's definitely not on the thicker side at all. So let me just give you a 360 and show you what it's looking like. So one thing to definitely note about this unit for sure, I do not think it is big head friendly at all. I did not adjust it at all, and it was fitting my head pretty snug. It has a sleek pressed top for a dramatic effect, and I do feel like that's true. I actually didn't even need to go in and add heat. You could add heat if you wanted to just get it a little more flat. So this is definitely going to be a throw on and go normal, just natural, good everyday hair type of unit. One thing that is different about this unit though is that it does not have ear tabs, so you can shift it to your liking and you don't have to deal with those ear tabs being in the way, so that's definitely really good. Yeah, so that's pretty much what I have to say about it. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, just give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any other units you want me to pick up in any of the colors, and until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.
Tell me why it gotta be like that. Gotta be like that. Ring around the rosy is the game you play.